In today's video, I'll show you how you can simply earn $25 per hour by training AI. Alright, so guys, this is totally free at no cost to you. And now, guys, now let me show you how you can simply create your account, access to tax. Now, you simply want to go to where you see sign in right there. So you want to click on sign in. So when you click on sign in, you'll be directed to what you see right there. And now this is what you see. What you want to come to where you say start here. When you click on start here, you'll be directed to this right there. So as you can see, we have a linguistics expert in the US. You want to contribute to AI speech annotation, and this is remote and independent contractor, and it is also project based. And as you can see, any right there, you can actually do this from anywhere. And we have Swiss ascended audio contributors, and this is also remote, as you can see, any right here. Now we have video collector English France, it is for those in France, and so on. We have a whole lot of them right there. So now let's quickly click on this, the first one. And guys, you can also jump on this also. Machine translation evaluation, this is Chinese simplified to English project. So if you believe you can actually do this, you can jump on this. No, so let's click on the first one right here. So click on apply to linguistic expert in the UX. Now, this is what this offer is all about. So, if you want to read through, right here, if you want to join project Ictomi, a speech annotation and transcription project focused on improving cutting-edge speech and language AI system, conversational English data. So, this is why join. You want to contribute to the advancement of speech and language AI technologies, and you can also work as apply your linguistics and transcription expertise to general data. And this is what you do. You simply work with recordings of natural unscripted conversational English. So guys, I'm actually reading this so we can actually understand what this particular job or offer is related, and adjust automatically generated speech boundaries using Pratt. And you want to produce verbatim time aligned orthographic translation. You want to read through, and now you can see this is the project breakdown, segmentation, transcription, and now this is the requirements right here: native or near proficiency in US English. All right, so if you understand US English, you can simply jump on this, and this proud experience with transcription and familiarity with proud adapt or similar speech annotation tools, strong understanding of phonetics, phonology, and prosodic annotation. If you want to read through now the payment details right here, this is a project-based opportunity with CrowdGen, and payment details will be shared upon select. And this is how to actually get started. You want to apply to project Ictomi, and if selected, you will receive an email from CrowdGen to create your account. You want to log in and complete the onboarding requirements. All right, and begin the qualification process and project training. And this is the important note: opportunities are actually limited and onboarding is conducted on a rolling basis. Now, early applications are encouraged to maximize your chances of selection. All right, so you simply want to take action immediately you are done watching this. Please, guys, make sure you uh stick with me right to the end of this video. If you want to improve the future of speech and language AI, apply today and contribute from the comfort of your home. All right, so you can see right here you are earning $25 per hour. Now the next thing you want to do, simply click on apply for this job. All right, so now when you click on apply for this job, as you can see, this is what you need to do. You want to submit your application right here. So now the resume slash CV is very important. All right, so create your resume. I already made a video on that, on how you can create an AI optimized resume. So I have a video on my channel. You can simply search for it, or I can actually attach it in the description of this video or the comment section, so you can actually get access to it. And if you need my CV template, you can comment CV, and I will show you how to actually get access to it. All right, so comment CV in the comment section. CV. All right, so now you want to enter your first name, your email, your phone number, your current location, your current company, and application questions right there. And with that, you are critical. So we are simply going to do this together. So you want to click on attach resume right there. Alright, so guys, as you can see, I'm actually uploading my resume right there. Alright, as you can see, it has my full name. Now my email. Now let me enter my email right there. Now my phone number, you want to select your location. All right, so you can see it right here. So now select my company. Yeah. Now, in which country were you born? So guys, you simply want to be truthful right here. So I'm a Nigerian. Select it right here. In which US state are you currently residing, if applicable? So guys, just leave it. I do not reside in the US. All right. If you reside in the US, you can specify right here. So right here, we select your primary language spoken. So I actually speak Yoruba right there. So additional language relevant to this job. So people to choose English. So the highest education level right here. All right. So now you want to click on yes, CrowdGen buy. So you want to click on yes right there, and Appen can contact you about future job opportunities for up to 3 years. You don't want to click on submit your application, but you want to go through everything. All right. So you want to go through everything. So go through your details and click on submit application. All right, so guys, now after that you will receive thank you for your application. So we have received it, we'll review it shortly. If you don't receive an email confirmation from us soon, please reach out to us via the help desk, and we appreciate your interest in joining us. So this is how you can actually apply to the opportunities or offers right there on CrowdGen, and when you actually get approved, you'll be able to actually create your account, and with that you can get access to a whole lot of opportunities right here on CrowdGen. So guys, this is what I have for you in today's video. If you actually got value, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. All right, so guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you right in the next one.